Breathing deeply. Breathing. As we need food to stay alive, similarly, we breathe for our survival. All the living organisms take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide through nose. This process is called breathing. The process of taking in air rich in oxygen is called inhalation. And the process of giving out air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation. When we breathe in, the air enters through the nose and gets warmed up. It goes through the windpipe into the lungs. The lungs are a pair of bag-like structures located in our chest cavity. These are protected by the rib cage. The rib cage consists of 12 pairs of curved bones that are connected to the breastbone in front and backbone at the back. The rib cage also protects the heart. The blood is pumped by heart to every cell of the body. Below the lungs, a strong muscle is present which is called diaphragm. The diaphragm moves our chest in and out every time we breathe. When we inhale air, the diaphragm moves down so that the lungs gets the space to become large. On the contrary, when we exhale air, the diaphragm relaxes and moves up, pushing the carbon dioxide out of the lungs. Breathing rate. The rate at which we breathe depends upon the kind of the activity performed by us. When we run fast, do cycling or swimming, our breathing rate increases. It is because now we need more oxygen. So the heart beats faster to pump more blood, so that more oxygen can be carried by the blood and carbon dioxide is brought back. When we sleep or take rest, the breathing rate decreases. On an average, human heart beats about 72 times in a minute. Breath is hot and humid. Besides taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, breath has other uses also. Breath helps in burning of fire. When we blow hard on burning substances, oxygen supply increases and substance burn better. We often blow at our hand when it gets burned. It is because the air we breathe out is cooler. We blow out on our spectacles for cleaning it because air that we breathe out has water vapors which on condensation becomes water. Breathe well. Breathing helps to burn food so that energy is released. It helps us to remain healthy. Therefore, we must breathe properly. Always breathe through the nose, not mouth. Hair that are present in the nose trap dust particles, insects, etc. Go for a walk in the morning. Breathe in fresh air. Breathe deeply. Practice yoga exercise. Never cover your head while sleeping. Points to remember. All living organisms breathe to stay alive. Breathing refers to taking in of air rich in oxygen and giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide. The process of breathing involves inhalation and exhalation. The air enters the nose, goes to windpipe, from where it reaches the lungs and then into the blood. Diaphragm is a strong muscle present below the lungs. The breathing rate depends on the type of activity performed. Breath is used for various purposes. We must breathe well